Hi guys, welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all dandruff hair mask. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I hope you have subscribed to my channel, and if not, then please subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends, relatives. Guys, I am also there on Instagram and Facebook. So if you want to follow me over there, I will put my both the IDs on the screen. So do check it out and also follow me over there. So guys, without any further ado, let's go to the video. Guys, the first ingredient which we are going to use is curd, which is called dahi. Guys, curd is an excellent ingredient to keep scalp infections away, and it also helps to reduce dandruff and itchiness. Guys, the second ingredient which we are going to use is Patanjali aloe vera gel. Guys, I'm sure everyone knows that how much important aloe vera gel is for our hair. I've also made a separate video on it, so if you want, you can watch that video. I'll put it on my I button. The next ingredient which we are going to use is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil heals damaged or clogged hair follicles and encourages hair growth. Dandruff can also play a factor in clogged hair follicles. Tea tree oil takes care of itchy scalp and dandruff with its antiseptic and moisturizing content. Guys, the next ingredient which we are going to use is lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C. It maintains scalp health and it helps control the production of oil on your scalp, which helps in reducing the dandruff. Guys, the next and the last ingredient which we are going to use is parachute coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to moisturize your hair and it makes your hair frizz-free. So guys, now I will mix all the ingredients in one bowl. Guys, I'm going to be taking one full bowl of curd. Then next, I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then guys, add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. Then guys, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Guys, add 1 full tablespoon of Saundarya aloe vera gel. Then guys, mix all the ingredients well. Guys, you can see this hair mask is now ready. Now I will apply this hair mask on my scalp. Take each section properly of your hair and apply this hair mask on your scalp and on your hairs. Guys, keep this hair mask for around 1 hour and then wash it with plain water and shampoo. Don't use any kind of conditioner.
One eternity later.
So guys, I have washed my hair. You can see the difference. Guys, my hairs have become more soft and frizz-free. So guys, you can see. If I try this hair mask for more 2 to 3 times, then I'm sure that my dandruff will be completely gone if there is any left. So guys, you can also try this DIY hair mask for once in every week to get better results. Guys, if you have any kind of questions related to this hair mask, then you can comment me down. I will definitely reply to it. And if you have any kind of suggestion for my next video, then also you can comment me down. I will definitely make a video on that too. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you in my next video.